Today we will create a rotating text effect using HTML and CSS. Source code is available in the description. And guys, what is your favorite programming language? Mention in the comment section. Let's get started. Okay guys, first I'm going to create shift exclamation tab to get the first set of keys here, and I'm going to link it by CSS. And now we are going to the body. We're going to create a div. Div is going to have a class of loader. Close it and I'm going to create 5 span elements. Okay, and in between those span elements I'm going to create HTML and O. This is it for the HTML. Now let's get coding our CSS. First we're going to exclamation. Margin is going to be 0 and padding is going to be 0 and box sizing is going to be border box. We're going to create a body with overflow of hidden. Enter. And we're going to have canvas, background color of white. Oh, we don't need canvas, guys. We are going to create loader. Selector is going to be loader. Closing and opening brackets. Position is going to be absolute. Transform is going to be translate -50 by -50%. We're going to have top of 50% and left of 50%. We're going to have width of 100 pixels and height of 100 pixels, and border radius is going to be 50. That's it, guys. Here now we are going to create the span elements. We are going to style our span elements. So span, enter, position absolute, display is going to be block, width is going to be 100%, height is going to be 100%. We are going to have border. Border radius is going to be 2 pixels. So that's all. Now let's animate it. So to animate it, we're going to create span knit child. It's going to have a background. Or we're going to have a transform. Rotate y angle is going to be, guys, -90 degrees. Now we're going to copy it 5 times because we have 5 spans. Guys, yeah, we will copy this. Yeah, now we are going to close it. So we are going to give First we're going to give 30 degrees. Next it's going to be 60. Then it's going to be 90, 120 and 180. So this is the order. So guys, we are going to give some colors. So background color is going to be red, and some are going to be our color for text is going to be red or black, and some are going to be white. So for that I'm going to do 2 color elements. This is going to be white. Okay, so this is it for the CSS. Now let's see the final outcome of this video. To see the preview guys, we are going to right click show preview, and as you can see it works. To make it bigger I'm going to open it in browser, and as you can see here guys, we have successfully created this rotating text animation using HTML and CSS. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next. Peace.